Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button Disconnect. But before I click on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you click Disconnect, it will leave your device at the device list. And if you click Unpair, it will remove your device from your phone. So now let's tap on it, and as you can see, I just leave it at the device list. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!